Welcome back to SMKR. Up next is the Bandai Star Wars X-Wing Starfighter. And this is 1/72 scale, and it is a snap-tight kit. This is one of the new releases. Let's look at the box art. And we'll look at the details on the box. Looks like some very close-ups of the built model itself. Different options for the robots, the droids, standing and sitting pilot. Overall view of the X-Wing. And looks like some screenshots from the movie itself. Look inside. That's how it's presented. Kit number 191,406. And this did retail for 2,400 yen. Same as the fine molds that we saw previous. More pictures on the side and a large view of the Starfighter. Open up the box. First thing you see are the kit stickers. Okay. And then we see different colored plastic. We see clear, pink plastic. We have light gray plastic going on, and red going on the same sprue tree with the stickers. Next we have light gray engine details. Next we have light gray upper wing halves, or wing halves themselves. Engine inlets, lots of detail here. And canopy frame. We have the stand with the decals themselves, not the stickers. Okay. The instruction sheet. Which, similar to the accordion style of fine molds, everything folds out. Start with step 1 on the left, working your way to the right. Step 2, step 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. And what's really cool is the color callouts themselves. Get a closer look at this without any reflection. Sorry, hitting the tripod here. If you need to pause the video to get a closer look, go ahead. Color callouts are on the bottom. Zoom in a little bit closer for you. They are in Japanese, so I apologize. And that is it. I'll be back and we'll get a closer look at the parts. And here are the stickers provided with the kit. This is so the novice builder, because this is a snap together, can snap everything together and simply use stickers and not have to worry about this water slide version that the decals have. Also contained in the same bag are a bunch of parts here. The fuselage halves. We have the clear sprue. We have the pink colored clear sprue for the laser cannons, and the red sprue. So really you wouldn't even have to paint this. Light gray for the fuselage. Looks like the details pop a little more on this than they did on the fine molds. Very exquisite detail there. The other half of the fuselage. more bolding panel lines, not as subtle. Clear parts are molded right on with it. I like this technology that Bandai uses. Very nice. The rear section is in multiple pieces too, which helps make it pop even more. Laser fired cannons, clear sprue also, and they appear to be a little more pliable than the regular plastic. Very soft. Very much detail here. Now here's the red components on the fuselage that are inserted, so you don't have to paint the red. And you can see here's all the pin marks to snap everything together. Be very hard to light this because there is so much pinning going on. To snap it, it'd be hard to run your wires. That's what I discovered when I built the TIE Advanced Fighter, trying to wire it up. Next up comes the wing halves, the top portion of the cockpit and area where R2-D2 sits, along with the pilot, sitting pilot, both standing and sitting, and portions of the wing and inlets. Let's get a closer look. Like I said, the details on the wings, the inscribed panel lines are more pronounced on this kit than the fine molds. There's your pilot standing. Turn it over here, we'll get the sitting pilot. Engine inlets. The chair. Cockpit details, where the droids sit inside. Once again, wing detail. Turn this over. Get a look on that side once again. Very fine detail. More pronounced here in the Bandai kit. Separate nose cone. Actually, it would look like that with that on top. There it is. Separate canopy. Get a closer look at it. Studio models did not have glass in the canopy, so that's why they provide you this without the glass inside, versus the clear parts by themselves representing the canopy, where you have to paint the frames. The next bag contained 2 sprue trees. They are both the same, so I'm not going to show you the other one with all the engine parts. Let's get a closer look. This will be your R2-D2s, your droids. Engine components. Engine inlets, landing gear struts, it looks like. over. You can see where everything snaps in, making it a snap kit. Very precise tooling here. And last, like with all the other Bandai Star Wars kits, is the stand. This representing the Death Star, along with where the proton torpedoes or missiles fire into the hole here. Exquisite detail there. And with this came the other, this time the Waterslide decals. We'll get a closer look at these. Waterslide takes a little more skill and effort to put on, but the only options for red 5, of course, you can remove some of the red hashes to make it red 4, red 3, red 2, red 1, and very detailed decals. Canopy frames themselves for the clear parts. So red decals are, you got basically the red plastic parts that represent those.